Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So this is going to be my haul from my Las Vegas trip. I went to Las Vegas with a cousin and my sister-in-law, and we decided to take a girls trip, and it was so much fun. We had a blast, but we did do some shopping, and I will show you what I grabbed. Now I grabbed these crystals from a store called Califano. It was inside of the Caesars Palace Hotel. All right, and it had the most beautiful crystals you'd ever seen, like just beautiful crystals and jewelry. Look at that. That's beautiful. This is what the store looks like if you're in Vegas and you want to check it out. They put this brochure in the bag. It looks like they have other areas. They got one at the airport, Grand Canal, the Venetian, the Caesars Palace one. That's the one we went to. And then there's another one. So yeah, it was really, really nice. All right. So they have all kinds of stuff. I believe you can check out the website. That's it right there. You can look it up. All right. So they had some really nice crystals. I'll show you what I got. I got black kyanite. Black kyanite is a really great stone. This will probably be for jewelry making, because I do have another channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative, where I make jewelry on that channel. So these will probably be for jewelry, but they're so beautiful. I have some blue kyanite, but I don't have any black kyanite. And it look like you get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, several pieces in this. And they were $15 each. You buy 3, you get 1 free. So I bought 3 because I didn't have any of this black kyanite. I thought it was so cool because this can be kind of expensive. And I thought $15 for all of these is a great deal. And it is real. Just so you know, it's real. And it gives you a little insert of what the kyanite means. So, all right. And I got that one, and I got black tourmaline, which I took one out and put it in my another bag. It had like 4 pieces in there. Tourmaline is an excellent stone, for like all kinds of properties and stuff, if you believe in that sort of thing. But I really like it. So I got that one, black tourmaline. And then look at this labradorite. This labradorite is everything, y'all. It really is. I would say this was a palm stone. What's called a palm stone. You can hold it while you're meditating or whatever. But look at the hues on that. If you could see that in the light. I don't even know if you could probably see that, but it's really beautiful. And look at this, like the size of my palm. That's how big it is. And normally look at the back of that. It's so pretty. These are very expensive. Labradorite is very expensive. I have labradorite rings and some other smaller stones. Very, very nice and very expensive. So I saw that one. I thought I had to have it, So I got that. And then this is lepidite, which is absolutely beautiful. Really, really pretty. I was so happy to grab all these stones. And my cousin and my sister-in-law also bought some. We came home with all kinds of stuff. Stones and all kinds of stuff. But look at how pretty that is. That hue is just absolutely beautiful. Just really beautiful. So this is lepidite. Look at this color. See this? Like, that's so pretty. Wow. Just gorgeous. So some of these will be made into jewelry pieces. And I may be using some of these when I make some videos on my other channel, Stephanie Garrett Creative. And the link will be down in the description, so you can follow me over there if you're not following me already. For all things crafty and creative. And then they gave us a cute little bag. Isn't this cute? Crystals, gemstones, fossils, metal art. Just so cute. So I got that in Caesars Palace in Las Vegas. Yay! What else did I get? Oh, I already showed this already, but I got this bracelet. Not this one. I got this really pretty bracelet. Okay. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you can see that. Beautiful. The pave. And the Asian Chinese symbols there. Asian symbols. So I thought it was beautiful. This one's old. I'm going to have to restring this one, but this one, I got this one there. Beautiful. Okay. So I already showed that on my other channel. Now, on the way, I think that's really all I got while I was in Vegas, right? I got some CBD salve, so I got some of that. And like I said, I got this bracelet, crystals. I feel like I'm missing something, y'all. But if I'm missing it, I'll show it to you in another channel. Another haul, I mean. All right, now, on the way out of Vegas, y'all, we stopped. Here, let me show you where we stopped at first. We stopped at a place called Terrible's. It's in Barstow, I believe. Let me look at the receipt. It's called Terrible's. Terrible's. It's in Jean, Nevada. So that's it. It's on the highway. Terrible Herbist. That's the name of it. It's a really nice little rest stop, gas station. They have a store inside of it. They have restaurants in there. Really crowded little place, you know, kind of on the road. And you think all rest stops are dumps, but they're not. This one's actually really cute. They had cute stuff in there too. Right? So look what I got. I got a really cute bag. Right? This is so cute. And I saw this because it reminded me of the Marc Jacobs bag. Right? Marc Jacobs has a bag similar to this. It's like $400. So this is a cute little crossbody bag. It comes with a strap inside of here. Really nice long strap. But I actually have other straps to go with it. So you have this side, and I think you have this side. Right? Look at that. That's cute. Nice and roomy. Well, actually, no. It's all one. So it's just all roomy. But it's a cute little crossbody bag, right? So I thought it reminded me of that Marc Jacobs bag. It's really nice. All right, so that's the brand, and it was $29. So you might be able to find this online somewhere cheaper. I'm not sure, but this is the first time I saw this, so I just grabbed it because I really, really, really liked it. And then, y'all, look what I got. I got the straps to go with it. Like, this strap goes with this perfectly. I think it's a perfect dupe for the Marc Jacobs bag. Really, really cute. If I can find the link to the Marc Jacobs bag, I'll put it down in the description so you can take a look at it. It's super cute. It's really cute. And they have straps like this. Look at that. That's just beautiful. I thought that was just perfect. So that's a strap I'm going to use with that. I thought that was so cute. And then I have this strap. These were $12.99 a piece. So that's a good deal. Right? And then look at this one. This one is probably going to go with another purse. Right? I love that gold. Sparkly gold in there. So yeah, really cute. You can probably maybe look up on eBay or Amazon to see if you can find this brand. And Google it and see. I don't know where else you can get it, but it's really, really cute. And if you have any purse where, you can clamp on, take the strap off, you can clamp a strap on, this is perfect for that. So I thought I was in love with this. I was just so in love with it. Interchangeable bag strap. Just so cute. So that's what I got on the road coming home to LA from Vegas. All right. So I am very happy about that purchase. Okay. So let me put this away and show you the other bag. Here's the big one, y'all. The big one. Let me show you this. Look at this. Isn't this bag gorgeous? It is absolutely beautiful. Okay. Just so beautiful. Beautiful Coach bag. We stopped at the Coach outlet. Let me see where this was. Was this in Barstow? I'm looking at the receipt. Yes, this was a Coach outlet in Barstow, y'all. Okay, that's the address there. Barstow, California. That's the address. So that's the Coach thing, and it was $145 this bag was. And I know it's like $2 something online. I don't know if this is a part of the newer style or whatever. I don't know. But I knew I was in love with it. So it has, multiple compartments here. Nice and roomy. And it's a very classy bag. I have a lot of bags, but they're more like everyday bags. More like crossbody, running around town bags. This is a really cute, classy bag. And it has a strap inside. So, but look at it. It's nice and roomy. Really cute. Coach is a good brand. And then it has these other compartments in here. Really, really nice. And a little zip there. And then you have the outside pocket here. Isn't this just the cutest thing? Like, just the color of it is everything. Let me pull this up. Y'all can see my paint and stuff on the table. I need to show you the room, with more room. But it is really, really beautiful, guys. Really beautiful bag. So we all got a bag. They had a Michael Kors outlet. And I almost walked away with one of those, but I couldn't afford it. So I had to stick with, what I could afford. Oh, no, this bag was originally $428. So to get it at such a discount, a deep discount at the Coach outlet was great. $428 original price for $145. That is amazing. Amazing. It's amazing. What's the name of this bag? I don't know what the name of this bag is, y'all. Let me see. What do I do with the, let me see. So in case anybody wants to know the name of the bag, I don't know. Lily. I think Lily Cry is the name of it. Lily Cry. I think Lily Cry is the name of it. Lily. I think it's just Lily. So you can, if you want to see this bag, just type in Lily. Now they do have different bags, y'all. They have some that's all black. They have some that's all this brown color. They have a few different styles. So you pick whatever style you like. I just happen to like this one because I thought it was classy and beautiful. I thought it was a really beautiful bag. And for the price point, it was amazing. So, yeah. All right. I think that's it for my little Vegas trip. I didn't get much. You know, some of the stuff I got already used. Like I said, my CBD salve, which was amazing. That was very expensive. And I got my bracelet. So I got that and the bag and the crystals. So I thought it was a successful trip. We had a ball. We drank, we ate, we laughed, we talked, we walked, we shopped. So it was all good, all right? So if you have any questions or comments, leave it below and I'll answer, get back to you. And definitely give me a follow on my other social media. I'm at Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at Stephanie Garrett Designs over on Facebook and Instagram if you want to check out my jewelry. All the links will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.